Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Apple Notes. So first, in your Apple device, head over to Notes. Now from here, we're just going to pick a specific note. Now just a reminder that in Apple Notes, you can only zoom in on specific objects, such as photos, just like in our example. And to zoom in, all you have to do is click on this specific image and zoom in using your two fingers. And just by that, you can easily zoom in on Apple Notes. Now you can also zoom in for a little bit by holding your screen. And as you can see, there's this small magnifier tool that shows you small details in your notes. This tool is actually useful to help you see small details and small letters for better viewing in your Apple devices. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!